With the SARA project, we're creating a surgical navigation suite to assist surgeons in the OR during arthroscopic knee ACL reconstruction.
Current robots used in orthopedic surgery are excellent at performing high-precision tasks, but they have limited cross-surgical functionality, which makes them expensive for hospitals and surgical centers. The vision with Team SARA as part of the KUKA Innovation Award was that we could develop a collaborative multitasking robot that could be used across surgeries that would increase the value for the robots to work alongside the surgeon in delivering care to their patients.
SARA can perform two different types of tasks, surgeon-led tasks and robot-led tasks. By performing two different categories of tasks, it allows us to allow the robot to do the most as possible within the environment of the operating room. Some of the surgeon-led tasks include knee ranging and static knee positioning, as well as an arthroscope task where the arthroscope can be positioned to surgeon-defined points. Additionally, the robot-led tasks include automated tool changing, which allow us to change the tool that the robot is carrying so it can perform different tasks.
So the main technological innovation that we're doing here is integrating different surgical navigation technologies and stereo vision technologies into our workflow. So using these different feedbacks, we're actually capturing the scene of both the surgeons and patients. Using this feedback, we're actually integrating a lot of safety aspects such as collision avoidance so that we can maintain safety between both the surgeons and patients.
The large range of motion and the high payload that are associated with this robot were really beneficial when it came to ranging the knee and confirming that native range of motion was preserved.
The KUKA Innovation Award was an exciting new venture for the University of Waterloo in which we were allowed to bring together two different labs, one with expertise in orthopedic biomechanics and the other in expertise in human-robot interaction.
Making automation easier.